Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently: how long can Revolut hold your money? Now, I know that this is a really important question, especially if you're planning on using Revolut for your day-to-day finances. So, I'm going to do my best to give you a clear and concise answer. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and currency exchange. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its ability to hold your money in multiple currencies. This can be really helpful if you travel a lot or do business internationally. However, there are some things to be aware of when it comes to Revolut's ability to hold your money. In general, Revolut can hold your money for as long as you need it. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. First, Revolut may hold your money if they suspect that it is being used for illegal purposes. For example, if you are making a lot of high-value transactions to or from countries that are known to be involved in money laundering, Revolut may freeze your account and hold your money. Second, Revolut may hold your money if you are in breach of their terms of service. For example, if you are using Revolut to make unauthorized transactions or to promote illegal activities, Revolut may freeze your account and hold your money. Third, Revolut may hold your money if they are experiencing technical difficulties. For example, if Revolut servers are down, they may not be able to process your transactions. If Revolut holds your money, they will typically send you an email or notification explaining why they are doing so. They will also let you know how long they expect to hold your money. In most cases, Revolut will release your money as soon as the issue has been resolved. However, in some cases, it may take longer. If you are concerned about Revolut holding your money, you can contact their customer support team. They will be able to provide you with more information about your specific situation. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Revolut's ability to hold your money. Revolut is a regulated financial institution. This means that they are subject to strict rules and regulations, including rules that protect your money. Revolut is a member of the Financial Ombudsman Service. This means that you can complain to the Financial Ombudsman Service if you have a problem with Revolut. Revolut offers a variety of security features, including two-factor authentication and fraud monitoring. This helps to protect your money from unauthorized access. Overall, Revolut is a safe and reliable way to hold your money. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks before you open an account. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy.